Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I would like to talk about repeated multiplication. So how is going on when you have a fraction with a repeated multiplication? So we have, for example, a over b power n. N how many numbers in general? We don't know n. So we will do like this: a over b, the fraction must be together, a over b times a over b times a over b times 2n times. So for example, if you have a, we can do this way also, put in each numerator the power and denominator the power separately. So we have a over b power n, we can say it's equal to a power n divided by b power n. Example, we have 2 over 5 power 3. How can I do? So we can say 2 power 3 over 5 power 3. What is 2 power 3? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We cannot say 2 times 3 is 6. That's wrong. So it means multiply the 2 3 times. And 5 times 5 is not 5 times 3, 15. No, that's not right. It is 5 times 5, which is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So that is the all answer. So 8 over 125. Okay. So that is in general for this equation. So when I have a power 0, for example, if I have a over b all power 0, what will be that? The answer will be 0, because any number power 0 is, the answer will be 1, because any number power 0 will give you 1. So for example, if I put 1 over 5 power 0, my answer will be 1. Because I said any number power 0 is 1. So if I put 3 over 7 power 0, it will be 1 also. Because the power is 0, that means 1 gives me the answer by 1. So a over b power 0 is equal 1. 1 over 5 power 0 would be 1. 3 over 7 power 0 will be 1. So for example, another formula that I wanted to know is minus a power m will be equal to a power m when the m is even number. Minus a power m will be equal to minus a power m when the m is odd number. So we have to know that. For example, if I have minus 1 over 2 power 4, 4 is even number, so that the answer will be 1 power 4 over 2 power 4, which is 1 over 2 power 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. That's done. How about if I put here minus 1 over 2 power 3? Now we have power of odd. That will give me minus 1 power 3 over 2 power 3, which is 1 over 8. Now makes sense? When you using a bracket and there is a negative, but you have a power, if the power is even number, so then your answer will be positive. If the power is odd, then your answer will be a negative number. So if I take another example, for example, let's take this example. Then we have 3.5. This is called improper fraction. This square, then we divide it by negative 10.5 whole power. So I am using power and I'm using division. So the very thing I have to improper fraction to convert it to mixed fraction. And 2 times 3 is a 6. 6 plus 1, that's equal 7 over 2 power 2 divided by, then this part, 10 times 2 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 over 2. The next step is 7 squared over 2 square, and the division change it to multiplication. Then we flip the second fraction to that way. So the bottom, which is denominator, changes to numerator, and the numerator changes to denominator. Okay, 7 squared is what? We can say 7 squared is 49, because 7 times 7, and 2 squared is 4 times 2 over 21. We can simplify to get the best answer. So 49 we can divide by 7 is a 7. We can divide by 7 here, it will be 3. 2 we can divide by 2 is 1, and 4 we can divide by 2 is 2. The last answer is 7 times 1, which is 7, over 2 times 3, which is 6. So what I did, look here, this was improper fraction. I converted to, this was a mixed fraction. I converted to improper fraction. Then the division changes to multiplication. Then I simplify. That is the other way we can do. Let's do another example. If you have minus 2 over 5 power 2 times minus 5 over 2 power 2 times 1 over 5 power 0. So what you're going to do, first step, we square this one. It's a negative, but here is even number, so it will be changed to positive. So 2 square over 5 square times, here same, this is a negative, but here I have an even number, so that can make sense. 5 square over 2 square. How about here? 1 over 5 power 0. Any number power 0 is 1, is gone. So we can say times 1 if you want it. So 2 square will be 4. 5 square will be 25. Times, here is 5 square is 25 again. And 2 square will be 4 also. Times 1. Look here, this is 4 and 4 is gone. So the answer is 1. This is 25 and 25 is gone. The answer is 1. So you have 1 times 1 is 1. Times 1 all is 1. So your answer all of this here is 1. So look again. So when it's even, the power changes to positive. Okay, you square. When it's the power is 0, it's 1, converted to 1 all. Then multiply. When we have same like this, we cancel each other. Then the last answer is 1. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.